Okay, guys, here's what happened. I just put in a Wella Brilliance coarse hair mask. Why? Because I thought the other day it would be fun to try sea salt spray. And if you guys watch my videos, you know I do like a lot of bleaching and stuff. Well, I'm getting ready to color it again, like, my bright neons or just whatever random stuff I do to my hair. And I thought I'd try a little sea salt spray knowing it would dry out my hair probably. But when I came into the bathroom today, I saw the ends of my hair looked almost like some of the ends of my hair looked almost like they got heat damage. Like if you're actually take a lighter, to your hair. And oh my god. Or burnt hair. I don't know. It was so damaged on the ends. I have a haircut coming up the 22nd of July, so I'll show you guys that after I get it cut. I can't cut my own hair. There's no way. Not with how messed up my hands and stuff are. So just thought I'd update you guys, and I'll let you know how this worked. It's an intense treatment and enhances color, vibrancy, antioxidant shield technology for colored coarse hair. So, it says 5 minutes. I'm probably going to leave it on a lot longer. I just thought, why not jump on here and do a quick video on this hair mask by Wella. Because if it saves my ends from... And I thought I'd let you guys know, I'm sure everybody kind of knows that sea salt will dry out your hair because it's sea salt. But, I was like, oh, I want to try it. I like the wavy textured look, and it was a bad idea. So I just thought I should let everyone out there know. And I will see you guys in my next video. I thought it'd be kind of fun to, since I'm always toning my hair and stuff, that'd be fun to tone my teeth and see how that stuff works. But anyways, there you go. I'll show you guys if this helped or not, or if it made it all greasy and heavy. We'll see, but I will talk to you guys later. Update, I figured since I was running around with conditioning mask, I would throw in some more of that Manic Panic Silver Stiletto toning conditioner. So, just so you guys know. I've already done a full video on this, but I thought it wouldn't hurt because I'm waiting for my haircut. I'm going to bleach my roots in one of my next videos soon, and then I'm going to get my haircut end of July, and then it's time for neons again. But no, I just figured I'd update you guys. Just threw some of that in there. I know it's not fully covered because I'm doing the hair mask. I just wanted to throw a little toner in there. But alright. Alright, I left it in for like 40 minutes with the mask. And then the toning conditioner. And then at the end here, I threw in my Ion reparative leave-in spray. It's not focusing. And then again, that's the hair mask I used. And then I also, this is the worst recording I've ever done. And then I threw in my kenra, where is it? My kenra silkening gloss, which you can't see it, it's too reflective. I really like it, it smells like strawberries. So I'll see you when it's dry. And I hope I made it soft and saved my hair. Jeez. Alright, it's the next day. I saved my hair. And, you can see where it tones some of it. But my ends are looking good. To me, I have a haircut, so obviously they're not perfect. But I saved it from that sea salt. Here's the back. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm pretty happy, guys. Just wanted to show you. It was just a quick video. And now you guys can see we're going to be bleaching my roots soon. That toner worked really good. Obviously, this is too yellow up here, but for where my hair was blonde, obviously the light in here is not the best. Here's some pictures in the natural light. Yes, that's my toilet with a really cool picture, so I'm not too worried about it. But there you go. I just wanted to show you guys that I saved my hair with that mask. But yeah, sea salt spray. I have nothing against this brand or anything, but my hair... I will not do this again to my hair. Definitely not. It's already naturally wavy enough. This is just from air dry. And yeah, it's a little funky because I've been running around with a clip in and stuff. But you can kind of... I already have wavy hair. Horrible idea. Just on a toner. So, can't wait to bleach the roots and get my hair cut. Still trying to grow it long. And then we're going to do our neons.